മുതൽ മരണം വരെ സന്തോഷത്തിലും ദുഃഖത്തിലും സമ്പത്തിലും ദാരിദ്ര്യത്തിലും പരസ്പര സ്നേഹത്തോടും വിശ്വസ്തയോടും കൂടി ഏക മനസ്സോടെ ജീവിച്ചു കൊള്ളാമെന്ന് വിശുദ്ധ സുവിശേഷം സാക്ഷിയാക്കി ഞങ്ങൾ വാഗ്ദാനം ചെയ്യുന്നു.
Hammer down, nailed to the wire, known by the sin of our fathers. Let it all come out and burn like a fire. We'll shout a little bit louder, 'cause the night still has 1,000 eyes. And when the truth is brought to light, you and I will be
This house is now a litany, things I thought I'd never be. Man who has opinions on an ottoman, among other things. I used to think I'd missed the road, the crushing fame, the sold out shows. I just sing head, shoulders, knees and toes like I'd forgotten them. But I'm alive, and baby, I'm thriving. Oh yeah, I'm living my best life. I wake up with the sunrise. It does not look a thing like I thought that it would, but I've been getting my steps in, and I sleep with my best friend. It's the best that it has been in a long time. I'm living my best life. Sometimes this sucks to tell the truth. I've got a reason to